everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful meal which is wholesome and really tasty. We're going to make these delicious tortilla wraps. They're a meal by itself and you can enjoy them for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So let's get started and check it out. We need a couple of ingredients to make the tortilla wraps. First I'm going to chop a few fresh spinach leaves. Let's cut some tomato slices. I'm taking 2 eggs for 1 tortilla wrap. We need to season this. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chilli flakes and some fresh crushed pepper. Just whisk the eggs well and keep this mixture aside. To the pan, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the pan is hot, add a handful of thinly sliced onions. Keeping the flame on medium, saute them for about a minute. Next, add a handful of chopped spinach leaves and saute them along with the onions. Maintain the flame on a low throughout. So now I'm going to season the onions and spinach. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chilli flakes and some fresh crushed pepper. Just give that a quick mix. Now pour in the whisked egg mixture and gently place the tomato slices on top. I have a few tortillas here. I've made a video on how to make homemade tortillas. I'll give you the link in the description. You can make your own tortillas with that recipe. Gently place the tortilla on the pan. Maintain the flame on a medium-low. Gently press it on all sides. Close the pan and cook the tortilla for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can see the tortilla is just slowly puffing up. So now I'm going to just loosen the sides and gently flip this tortilla to the other side. Wow, just look at that beautiful tortilla layered with egg, spinach and onions. Next, I'm going to grate some cheese generously all over the tortilla. Gently close the tortilla and there you have it. Look at that beautiful tortilla wrap. It has the goodness of eggs, onions, spinach, tomatoes and nice gooey cheese. Cut the tortilla into half and enjoy it while it's still nice and hot. Just look at that beautiful layering. It's such a scrumptious meal that your kids and your family members will absolutely love and enjoy. It's super quick and easy to make with very simple ingredients. It also makes for a nice lunchbox recipe. You can enjoy these tortilla wraps as is or with some nice dip by this side. I am going to devour this tortilla wrap. I really enjoyed making these. Couldn't wait to have them. Wow. Incredibly tasty. Wow, these are absolutely good. I thoroughly enjoyed them. The goodness of eggs, spinach and cheese. It's such a wonderful and wholesome meal by itself. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.